Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 3D drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We learn it. First of all, I am going to select plane. Now I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now go to draw the rectangle, corner rectangle from origin. Now go to smart dimension. This line dimension 90 and this line dimension 60. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now go to direction change. Now give the value extrude 60. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here from midpoint. Give the dimension horizontally 60 and vertically dimension 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now give the value here through all. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, corner rectangle here. Now give the value this line and this line distance 30 and this line below 45. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now give the value here 30. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the line here. This point and this point and this point select. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. Smart dimension. This line dimension. This line and this point distance 5. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now give the value 30. Okay. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Draw the rectangle. Draw the corner rectangle. Select. Now this line dimension 15 and this line distance 45. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Okay. Now go to plane select reference geometry and select plane. This face and this face select. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now, now draw the line here. This point and go to normal tool. This point and this point and this point. Select. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Extrude card select from mid plane and select 15. Okay. Okay. Now go to this plane and height. Now make our job. Now go to asymmetric view. Okay. Everything is okay. Now I'm going to check this dimension check 30. Yes, okay. This dimension check. Okay. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.